It's PM, you're hungry, you're tired. The thought of navigating a restaurant menu with Google Translate is exhausting. But what if you could have any food from any restaurant in your city delivered to your door in 30 minutes without saying a single word? In China, this isn't a luxury. It's a way of life, and it's all powered by two apps, Meituan and Elema. But if you can't read Chinese, these apps can feel impossible to crack. Welcome to the Middle Kingdom Code. I'm Joe, and we turn digital Chinese challenges into simple skills. If you're ready to unlock a universe of food from the comfort of your couch, you're in the right place. Subscribe and hit that like button right now, because we're about to make you a food delivery master. Here at the Middle Kingdom Code, we decrypt the tech and digital life in China so you can live easier and smarter. And mastering food delivery is arguably the single greatest quality of life upgrade you can get. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to search for, order, and pay for any meal you crave, completely in Chinese, with total confidence. Let's feast. First, you need to know your players. Think of them as the Uber Eats and DoorDash of China. First up is Meituan, the everything app. Meituan isn't just food, it's a super app. You can order food, buy movie tickets, book hotels, and even get a massage. Because of this, it often has the widest selection of restaurants, from tiny local noodle shops to big international chains. Then there's Elema, the food specialist. Elema means hungry. And it's owned by the Alibaba Group. It is laser-focused on food delivery. Many people find its interface a bit more streamlined for just ordering meals. It's also deeply integrated with Alipay, making payment super smooth. The truth: you should have both. Sometimes a restaurant is on one but not the other, or one has a better deal. But for today, we'll focus on the core skills that work for both apps. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step process. This is your recipe for success. I call it the 4-step delivery dominance system. Step 1. Set up your digital foundation. You can't do anything without a Chinese phone number to register and either Alipay or WeChat Pay set up and linked to your bank card. This is the non-negotiable key to the kingdom. Once that's done, download both Meituan and Elema from your phone's app store. Step 2. The search. Finding food without Chinese. This is where most people get stuck, but you have 3 powerful weapons. The first is the camera or image search. This is your best friend. See a dish you like? Take a photo. Both apps have an image search function, usually a little camera icon in the search bar. It will find that dish for you instantly. Your second weapon is Pinyin and English. Try typing the name of the dish in Pinyin or even English. PG, you might find beer. Pizza will almost certainly work. And third, use the map interface. Open the app and it will show you restaurants near you. You can just scroll and browse pictures. It's like a visual food court. Step 3. The order: decoding the restaurant page. You've found a restaurant. Now, how do you know it's good? First, look at the rating. Look for the star rating and the number of ratings. A 4.8 with over 1,000 ratings is a safe bet. Next, look for your monthly sales. This number shows how many items they've sold this month. A high number is a great sign of popularity and freshness. You can also check the Pingfen rating ranging price per person. These tell you the quality and the approximate cost. When you select a dish, use the photo gallery too. See exactly what you'll get. Then just hit the big plus button to add it to your cart. Step 4. The checkout: paying and getting your food. You're ready. Here's your final checklist. First, your delivery address. Make sure your address is 100% correct in both English and Chinese. The delivery driver will call you if they can't find you. Next, delivery time. You can often choose a specific delivery window. Then payment. Confirm your payment method is Alipay or WeChat Pay. It's seamless. Finally, track your order. After you pay, you can watch a live map as the rider picks up your food and drives to you. It's magical, and that's the core system. You are now equipped to feed yourself indefinitely without ever leaving home. If your mind is racing with all the possibilities of food you can now order, I need you to do me a solid. Take that thumb and show YouTube you're hungry for more by hitting that like button. Let's get this to 1,000 likes. Now, for some pro tips to make you a true master. First, use the message the writer feature. If you need to give specific instructions, you can send a pre-written message. You can type it in English, and they can use their app to translate it. Second, understand the packaging fee. Many restaurants add a small packaging fee. It is normal. And third, look for promotions. The apps are constantly running mantian promotions to spend X, save Y, look for them to save money. So what do you do when your rider arrives? Your app will say rider has arrived. Most of the time, they will meet you at your door. But in many apartment complexes, they'll leave your order at the security desk or a designated pickup area. They will often call you. Don't panic. They are usually just confirming the location. You don't need a full conversation. You can say,喂喂, hello? And 那一你,喝好, hello, or even 等等,一,西亚下. Wait a moment. They get the idea. A simple 谢谢. See, thank you when you get your food is always appreciated. So there you have it. The code to China's food delivery ecosystem, cracked wide open. You are no longer limited by language or location. You have the power to explore the entire culinary landscape of your city from your smartphone. Your diet, your convenience, and your taste buds are about to level up in a major way. If this guide has just liberated you from food-related stress and opened up a world of delicious possibilities, do these 3 things. 1. Subscribe to the Middle Kingdom Code. I'm Joe, and we're just getting started. Next, we're decoding how to use Chinese ride-hailing apps like Didi, so you can travel as easily as you can now eat. 2. Let ease blow up that like button to help this video reach every hungry expat in China. And 3. Comment below, what's the first thing you're going to order? Show me your first successful delivery haul. Thanks for watching. Keep cracking the code, and I'll see you in the next video.